Well, hi guys, how you do? I was gonna try and have a great intro, but then I saw this. I actually heard that Vector was gonna be the one that shows up in this show, and I'm kind of worried, so I don't know what to think about this. Let's just get into this. I think this is the right episode. We're gonna watch Sonic Boom Season 2, Episode frickin' 41. Here we go. Is this an ad? It's an ad. This is great. This is great. Skip, please. Oh no. Oh no. Somebody's talking in the background. I hope that person doesn't keep talking throughout the entire thing. Oh, it's Steve. Oh wow. Well, that's cool that he came back. I'm sorry, Roger Craig, but that's I don't like it. Oh! Oh. That makes more sense. You just morphed into yourself again? What? Okay, so they got Mombot, and then they're showing a bunch of people. Okay. That's Amy's voice. Actress. What? They're racing? Why? I guess driving racing's more of a fair competition with, What the heck? Is it a portal? What? What? Oh yeah, with Knuckles.
That's why I sent him to a dimension where no other Sonic exists. That sounds like paradise. You mean this sounds like paradise, Brosif, because Sonic no longer exists?
Brosif? Oh wow. It's purple. Well, at least he's got his sweet ride in this new world.
Hey, you with the scrawny little arms. Yeah, you. You have what it takes to be a beefcake like me? Come on down to Knuckles' upper body only.
No. No. I don't care if this is a different dimension. No. Oh God.
And I'm officially confused. Time for
Yeah.
phase 2.
Me too.
Sonic's place so that no one notices he's gone.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, hey Sonic, what's up?
Ah!
A lovely lady like yourself would enjoy going on a trip with me to the canyon.
It's not the real Sonic!
Sonic, that sounds... Hey, wait a minute. Sonic's never that thoughtful. Are you Steve Eggman?
Who's that? Oh, you must mean the Great Morpho. No. I'm Sonic the Mighty Hedgehog. What's up, Doc?
Oh, the guy who's watching this in the background. I'm sorry, this is the only video that they have so far, I think. wait. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I'm Sonic the Mighty Hedgehog. What's up, Doc?
That's not even Sonic's catchphrase. Get out of here, Steve. I'm not falling for your tricks again.
What's up, Doc? Might as well frickin' be Bugs Bunny, man.
Hey, Amy.
Back off, weirdo.
What the heck?
What's going on? Is this because I didn't go with you to the farmer's market? Sorry, Ames, but I gotta draw the line somewhere, and that line is an organic kale. Out of the way, Vermin.
What the heck? Oh my god!
A newcomer! Kneel before me, stranger. Like I'm
No.
down before your mustachioed butt.
Okay. That is not your color.
You indigo ingrate! How dare you speak that way to me? Who? You? Dr. Yolks for brains? Please, let's just get to the part where I clobber you.
Oh jeez. What the heck?
Big idea. You have the right to actually you have no rights. You're under
The rights don't exist anymore in Eggman's world.
I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
I guess they don't care.
I think I came from another dimension. One where Eggman isn't nearly as powerful.
Yeah, clearly. Dave the intern!
Dave? Where are you locked up? Did you look at his mustache the wrong way?
Sounds like Dave.
Called Mad Burger.
Yeah, still don't know.
Rescue the hedgehog who stood up to Lord Eggman. You can go too, Burger Boy. After all, your customer service is exemplary.
Not really, but okay.
The rebellion is small right now, but we're starting to make waves. Follow me. I'll introduce you to our fearless leader.
Knuckles.
Leader of the rebellion?
Yeah.
What? It stinks! I thought, whoa!
You can fight the alien.
I thought it was, you know, Knuckles is head of the thing at night and muscle guy during the day. I don't know. Guess the crazy one makes sense.
Sign me up. For the Eggman thing, not the crazy paranoid thing. But if we're gonna do this, we'll need the full team. I already have you and Amy. I still need to find Knuckles.
What about Tails?
From the TV commercials?
That's the guy. And of course my main man and BFF, Tails. Any idea where he is?
Never heard of him.
What, is he dead?
Thinking lobbing compliments at Amy like
Did they get rid of him? Did Eggman get rid of him because he's smart?
he enjoys their company.
I'm sorry, what? I missed that.
Idea where he is?
Never heard of him.
What were you thinking lobbing compliments at Amy like that? Even met Sonic. He's too cool to let anybody think he enjoys their company. Believe me. Just give me another chance, Bromigo. Convince everyone at Mad Burger that I'm the real Sonic.
Mm-hmm.
One salad, please.
He eats freaking chili dogs. How do they all know it's Steve? Seriously. Guess we're just too smart now.
Looking for an autograph? I get it. I'd want my autograph too if I weren't me.
I thought he just wrote himself an autograph at first.
Listen,
An
Knuckles,
X!
I'm only here to ask you to join the rebellion. Overthrow Lord Eggman? That's preposterous.
His eyes look gray.
I understand why you would come to me. I mean, look at you. Not a beefcake in the lot. Now, maybe
You don't need to be a beefcake to
powerful and athletic
be in the
like me.
Resistance,
How
though.
about this, Musclehead? Me and you in a race, one-on-one. If I win, you join us.
Ha!
Beat me? Okay, Mr. Needlemouse, you're on. We'll race to the court.
Needle Mouse? Yeah, great joke.
Wow, these burgers are great. What's their secret?
Beef?
Schmancy.
Wow.
Tails
Fancy.
we're going after Lord Eggman.
Is Tails bad?
Every minute Lord Eggman grows stronger.
Tails is gonna be bad, isn't he?
Get him now.
That sucks. I don't want Tails to be bad. Ugh, just break down the door. I knew it.
Don't worry, buddy. We're here to rescue you.
Who are you? And what are you rebels doing in my boss's lair?
Oh, please don't tell me you're working for...
Great Lord Eggman. I'm
Oh no!
best friend.
I knew it.
Welcome, buddy.
I'm sure it's just a misunderstanding.
We have to go.
Yeah, not your buddy.
I told you, dude. I have no idea who you are.
Well, I know you. I know you're the smartest guy in this town. Your favorite color is orange. Your favorite movie is Comedy Gym All-Stars Reunite for one last cash grab. 2.
How do you know all that?
'Cause I've read your mind.
Congratulations, my lab assistant.
And sidekick.
Thanks to your A-plus tattling, I'll be able to quash this little rebellion once and for all. Robots, attack!
Yeah, most famous saying ever. I don't. Oh no. So, fighting scene, huh? Cool. Whoa. You go, Amy. So I guess Knuckles went along with it anyways. Knuckles seems pretty much the same. Tails is just like, he's destroying my... I just fixed those! Watch out! Nice.
You just saved my life. Why? I'm with Lord Eggman.
We may be on opposite sides right now, but the Tails I know would have done the same for me.
Aww.
Can we get back to the battle?
Okay, so now they're buddies.
For an egghead?
Oh! I don't know, this is just weird. What, Portal? Is there gonna be Portal? Yeah, sure.
Let's be real, guys. I need to go back to my dimension. But with Styx's leadership and a crew like you by her side, I got a feeling Lord Eggman's days are numbered.
Oh, Tails is gonna help him out. That's convenient. Don't forget to write. Yeah, right, not with other dimension Amy. Should get jelly.
Yippity dippity doo! I'm Sonic the Hedgehog!
No, where's the new one? Where's that Sonic je ne sais quoi?
Should I say what?
Just say what?
Sonic, what are you doing here? I mean, no, that's not Sonic. This is the real Sonic.
Yippity dip skipperoo! I'm Sonic! Gotta catch 'em all!
I'm so
You're screwed.
proud of my two boys. I mean, your
Here,
brother was a
have some cookies for your failure. That's it? Wow. You know, I don't know what to say about this episode. Let's see what other people said, and then I'll think of something. Vector. Yeah. That was a little disappointing. I thought Vector was going to be in this. Wow. If anything, he'd at least get one episode where he's a major character. Oh, it's just a cameo appearance. No! Maybe this is a teaser that Vector will make a debut in future episodes along with Metal and Shadow. Hope so. Except I hope Shadow doesn't say, your craftsmanship frickin'... Oh god, that saying. I just so bad. What is it? Your craftsmanship is like shame to all hedgehog kind. Yeah. Great. I wish Silver... Yes! 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 I wish Silver was in this too! Blaze Cat Rouge and Cream the Rabbit appeared in Sonic Boom. Vector, Metal... Oh, wow. Yes, that's true. I hope that they have Silver in this, but if Silver is in the new Sonic Forces game, I'm fine with that. If Vector is in Sonic Boom, I'm okay with that too. So, okay. I think I would give this episode a 6 or... Nah, okay. A 7? No, 6.5. I'm giving it a 6.5 because it's okay. It's not the best. I was hoping for a little bit more, I guess, than I thought it was going to be. It was good, though. It was good. It was meh. Oh, God. Thanks, computer, for that. I hope that Vector does eventually show up, because that would be cool. Silver is my number one that I'd want to show up, but I think Vector they're leaning more towards because he'd fit in the Sonic Boom world, and Silver, I guess, if Silver showed up, he'd probably be like, I came from the future, and I've come to help you, it was something stupid like Sonic slipped on a burger at Burger, broke his leg, and then Eggman took over the world. Some kind of plot. So it probably wouldn't be as good as I'm thinking if Silver was in it. I mean, I'd still love it anyways, so I don't know. That would be cool. Well, I hope you guys liked this. I gave it a 6.5. I was expecting a little bit more. Stop it, please. I wish that that it was kind of Knuckles that was the head of the Resistance instead. I feel like that would have made more sense, but that's okay. I like that they brought Steve back, which is funny because he could not play Sonic for nothing. But he did fine the first time, but then, yeah, he was a little bit flanderized, just a tiny bit. But I don't know, we don't really know his personality that much, considering he's only been in one episode, so who knows what his personality really is. Or maybe he just forgot how to play Sonic. I don't know. That was just a little strange. So, other than that, hope you guys liked this video. See you later.